Guys over 50, are you struggling with low energy, poor sleep, or weaker erections? What if I told you that simple, natural habits could transform your vitality and performance in just weeks? Section 1. Daily Stretch Routine. Start with a 3-minute daily stretch to improve blood flow and strengthen pelvic muscles. Try rocking frog stretches, bridge abductions, and pelvic tilts. Just a few minutes each day can enhance circulation, reduce pelvic tension, and lead to firmer erections over time. Section 2. Natural oils for circulation. Using natural oils like castor, coconut, or almond oil during masturbation or massage can protect tissues, improve circulation, and relax pelvic muscles. Just 2 to 4 times per week in the evening can enhance erections, reduce pelvic heaviness, and support prostate health. Section 3. Milk-based natural tonics. Add natural ingredients to warm milk before bed to support testosterone, circulation, and sleep. Ashwagandha reduces cortisol, saffron improves blood flow, turmeric lowers inflammation, and maca boosts stamina. Use small doses 30 to 60 minutes before sleep, and rotate ingredients for variety. Section 4. Evening water trick. Hydration supports circulation, testosterone, and nerve function. Drink 200 to 300 milliliters of water 1 to 2 hours before bed. Add a squeeze of lemon, and sip steadily during the day. Avoid drinking large amounts too close to sleep to prevent interruptions. Section 5. Upgrading morning coffee. Enhance morning coffee for better blood flow and erections. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, raw cacao boosts nitric oxide, and maca enhances libido and stamina. Start with cinnamon, then add cacao and maca gradually over weeks. Avoid late coffee and sugar to protect sleep and circulation. Section 6. Magnesium before bed. Magnesium is crucial for testosterone production, nitric oxide synthesis, sleep, and cellular energy. Take 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate 1 hour before bed with a small snack. Start at 200 milligrams to adjust. Pair with vitamin D for synergy. Avoid magnesium oxide, alcohol before bed, and late-night screens. Dr. Zoe Hartley emphasizes tackling root causes: blood flow, hormones, inflammation, and stress. Simple, affordable habits: stretches, oils, milk tonics, hydration, coffee additives, and magnesium. When done consistently, improve erections, energy, sleep, mood, and overall vitality. Start with one method. Stay consistent for 3 to 4 weeks, then combine gradually. Track your progress in energy, sleep, and performance. If this helped you, subscribe for more natural strategies for men over 50, and share this with a friend. You might change his life.